Hey, I'm Nataliya from Nataliya.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to write a Facebook ad with AI in 2022. In fact, I'm going to take you behind my shoulder and allow you to peek at my computer screen while I create two different types of Facebook ads live for an online digital course. So with that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so AI has been able to completely transform how I do business. I own a marketing agency and I spend around 6 figures worth of Facebook ads every single month, meaning that I need to create and run a lot of different ads. And up until the point where I started using AI, it either took me a long time to actually create these ads myself, not to mention the hours and hours and years that I had to actually learn copywriter in order to become proficient at it, or it took me a lot of money in order to hire super expensive copywriters that will be able to create the kind of ads that will actually work for me, right? And I don't know if you know this, but when you hire a copywriter, like the version of copy that they give you is normally not even the final one. You will normally want to make some tweaks and stuff in order to make it your own. And so it ended up costing me a lot of time and money to create ads myself. Enter AI into my life. I started using AI about a year ago, I believe. And essentially since that trend has started, I was one of the very first one to actually jump on it and start experimenting with a bunch of different tools to see which kind of results can I actually get with AI. And I ended up falling in love with a tool called Jasper, which is absolutely incredible. And right now I use it actually not only for Facebook ads, but essentially for anything else, right? I create blog posts with it, website and funnel copy, advertising copy, ebooks and freebies, social media posts, and more and more and more. Every single thing and every single aspect of my business, both from my own business and my clients' businesses that requires copy, right now I use Jasper for it. And if you want to experiment with Jasper for free, simply head off to nataliya.com/AIR and try it for yourself. But with that being said, let's just get into the video and let me show you exactly how I write a Facebook ad using AI in 2022 in only a few minutes. Okay, so first things first, whenever I want to write a fresh Facebook ad, I enter into the Jasper dashboard and I head over into the template section right here on the left and choose the Facebook ad primary text template, right? So Jasper has a bunch of different templates with all kinds of stuff that you can create with it. But for the purposes of this video, obviously, we're going to be creating a Facebook ad. And now here's the trick. This is the course that I will be creating an ad for the purposes of this video. And in order to create an ad, normally what people do is they kind of like read what the course is about, maybe read the sales page or watch the video, and then they just sit in front of a blank page and try and write their ad, which is extremely wasteful when it comes to the best use of their time. So instead, let me show you a different trick on how I do this. I actually come into the sales page and I start copying sections of it right into the Jasper interface in order to save time and create an ad in only a few minutes, if not a few seconds. And let me show you how I do that. So when I'm inside the Jasper interface for the Facebook ad primary text template, Jasper will ask me to enter a few prompts in order to help Jasper better understand what this product is about so that it can create ads about it, right? So the first thing that Jasper asks me is, what is the product name? So I'm going to go over into the sales page of this particular course and I'm just going to copy the name of the course, which in this case is a life coaching certificate course. I'm going to paste it here. And then Jasper asked me to give a product description. What is this course about? And it can be as short or as long as you want, but the more information you will feed into Jasper, the better results that you will get. So in this case, I'm just going to go back into the sales page and copy a few of the most important aspects of the course description into Jasper. Firstly, immediately, I'm going to copy the subtitle, which is a comprehensive online training that delivers in-depth understanding of the key elements of the life coaching profession. I'm going to copy that, paste it into Jasper, hit comma to let Jasper know that I will be adding additional things. Then I will skip on everything that they will learn. And instead, I'm going to add the length of the course, 33 hours, and the fact that they get a certification of completion, comma. And then lastly, I want to add like a punchy description to let people know exactly what this is about. And in this case, they have a really nice description here, so I can just literally copy and paste all of it. But for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to copy the very first section, which is bolded. So I'm going to edit here. And next, I want to choose my tone of voice. And tone of voice really matters a lot in Jasper, because if, for example, you're going to write friendly versus authoritative versus witty, you're going to get different results. So in this case, I'm just going to choose excited, like it gave me in the example. What kind of language do I want Jasper to write the ad? In my case, is American English. And how many outputs do I want him to give me, or it? Do I want it to give me? In this case, I'm just going to choose 3 and click on generate. Now, it's only going to take a few seconds for Jasper to give me quite a few different options. And by the way, these options will change whenever I will change the description. So play with this a little bit. So let's see what we have here. The first one is, you could be a life coach in just 4 weeks. This comprehensive online training will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to start your own successful life coaching business. You'll gain an in-depth understanding of the key elements of life coaching and learn how to support clients in making positive transformational changes. Plus, you'll receive a certification of completion that will demonstrate your expertise. Enroll now and get started on your exciting new career. Cool. Let's just use that. So now I don't want to put it inside my Facebook ad editor as is. So I'm just going to copy it, paste it into a fresh doc, and just clean it up a little bit to make it a little bit more readable. So check this out. Already, I have my first ad done. All I did is I simply updated the structure of the ad to be a little bit more bullety to make it easier to read for people. This is kind of like a cool pro tip for you guys. Add a bunch of bullets, add emojis if it supports the style of your brand to just make the ad more readable. So already I have my first version of my ad version 1. Ready to go, ready for my Facebook manager to take it forward. Now let's create another version with Jasper and let's see what else it has to offer to me. You could be a life coach in just a few weeks. This online training is a perfect way to get started. Comprehensive includes video, certification, easy to understand curriculum to support the development of effective. Okay, what else do we have? Those who want to make a difference in people's lives. Okay, I actually kind of like this ad. I'm just going to clean it up as well. So again, I'm just going to copy it, paste it in here, and give me a few seconds to just clean it up a little bit. Bam! I have another ad, which first, as you can see, goes through the features of the course, and then it goes a little bit more into what they're going to learn, and already have 2 versions of ad that I can run and test against each other. Now, here's a quick note. Let's say that I'm going to get back into the sales page, and right now, I'm just going to copy all of this description. Let's see how much Jasper actually allows me to put into the product description, about 800 characters. Let's see if it can allow me to do all of that. Let's delete the part that it didn't allow me. But I have like a pretty longer description than before. So right now, Jasper should actually give me a different outcome of the kind of ad. So again, I'm going to generate 3 more outputs again and see what can we get here. Just a few seconds, already have 3 more ads. You have the power to change someone's life. With this comprehensive life coaching certification, you will gain all the skills and knowledge you need to start helping people achieve their goals and dreams. This course is packed with valuable information and covers everything from communication skills to change management. Why not start your journey today? Click to learn more about this exciting opportunity. So let me show you how I turn this kind of ad into even a better ad with just a couple of edits. So I'm going to click on it and click copy. And let's create another version of this ad. I'm gonna paste it here, ad version number 3. You have the power to change someone's life. With this kind, you will gain all the skills and knowledge you need to start helping people achieve their goals. This course is packed with valuable information. And already I have an ad that I can work with, but what if I'm simply gonna go to the sales page and just take a few bullets and paste them here? Why not? And in that case, I can do something like, you will learn. And I'm gonna put check mark, check mark, check mark, check mark. And maybe I can even take these ones and put check marks on them. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. All I'm doing is I'm building an ad based on what Jarvis gave me. So I'm just going to And already, as I edited my ad a little bit, you can see that I have a bunch of different things that I've put in it, and it only took me a few seconds. So Jasper gave me all of that in the finale. Over here, this is where you put the link. And I've took actually this directly from the sales page, right? So you can play with this. The more that you will change your product description, aka what you feed into Jasper, the more options you're going to get. And you can play with this and see exactly how it works out. But already you can see in just a few minutes, we have 3 different versions of an ad for this particular video course. And we can simply test them against each other and see which one works the best. So I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand exactly how to write a Facebook ad using AI in 2022. It's pretty simple. It's pretty fast, and I'm dying to see your ads as well. So if you're going to create an ad using Jasper, you can do that for free. Again, simply head over to nataliya.com/AI art. To get 10,000 free words and experiment for yourself, simply comment below and tag me, show me your ad. I would love to see what turned out for you. And other than that, if you're looking to support this channel, I would love your help. Simply click like on this video and subscribe to just help get the word out about these videos. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until then, yalla bye.